It takes the average person about 11 weeks to fully get over a breakup, which roughly translates to 3 months. Yep, that's roughly 3 months of replaying old conversations, stalking her Instagram, don't pretend you haven't, and wondering if you'll ever feel whole again. But hold on a second. Instead of just moping around, this period can be an opportunity to make her reconsider and come back. Now, before anyone claims this is childish or suggests that it's best to just move on, I get it. I'm not saying she's the one for you or that you should be together. If the relationship ended or she dumped you, it likely means there was a fundamental issue. However, from the perspective of your ego and feeling better about yourself, it can be a boost if she wants you back. So, here's a plan to make that happen. The first step is zero contact. And I mean zero. No text messages, no accidental run-ins, no bumping into her by chance, no accidental calls, and absolutely no drunk dialing. For the next 30 days, you need to maintain complete radio silence. This is crucial because absence truly does make the heart grow fonder. If you're constantly blowing up her phone or conveniently showing up where she is, she's not going to have the time or space to miss you. Think about it. She needs those 11 weeks or 3 months to move on. So even after 30 days, you're still lingering in her mind. Now I know you're heartbroken, craving that connection, and just one more conversation sounds like heaven. But if you're serious about her coming back, you need to stick to this plan. Trust me, this radio silence is effective because it gives her time to reflect on the good times rather than the bad. During this period of zero contact, she'll start to remember those fun dates, the inside jokes, and the moments that made her smile. While she's busy reminiscing, you need to focus on yourself. Use this time to become the best version of you. Hit the gym, dive into new hobbies, or start that project you've been putting off. The goal is to keep yourself busy and improve in ways that are noticeable. This is not just for her, but for you to rebuild your self-esteem and regain control over your life. By the end of these 30 days, you'll not only be more attractive to her, but also feel more confident and capable, regardless of what happens next. The second step is all about fixing your face. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling your best and boosting your confidence. Start by taking a good look at your skincare routine. If you're not already using one, now's the time to start. A basic routine should include cleansing, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen daily. Cleansing your face twice a day helps remove dirt and excess oil, which can clog pores and cause breakouts. Follow up with a good moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Sunscreen is crucial, as it protects your skin from harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging and other skin issues. Over the next 30 days, you'll notice your skin becoming clearer, smoother, and healthier. Focus on losing 5 to 10 pounds of body fat over the next 30 days through a combination of diet and exercise. This will not only improve your physical appearance, but also boost your confidence, which is undeniably attractive. A leaner physique will make your face appear more angular and defined, enhancing your overall appeal. If you're already into fitness, push yourself harder. Aim to be in the best shape of your life within the next month. Next, upgrade your style. Everyone finds a well-dressed man more attractive. Good style can instantly elevate your appearance and make you feel more confident. When she sees you after the 30-day no-contact period looking sharp and fit, it's bound to leave an impression. Your clothes should fit well, highlighting the progress you've made. This shift in how you present yourself signals that you're doing well without her, and that's intriguing. It can make her wonder why you weren't this version of yourself when you were together. Don't be afraid to experiment with different looks until you find what suits you best. The key is to look like you've got your life together, which in turn makes you more appealing. For 30 days, focus entirely on yourself. This means not contacting her at all and staying off social media. Go completely dark. The goal is to create a sense of mystery. You want her wondering what you're up to, worrying that you're out there having more fun, or maybe spending time with someone else. After these 30 days of silence, send her a casual, friendly, and non-committal text. This is a strategic move, as by now, she likely believes you've moved on. Have you moved on? Not necessarily. You've been playing the game to make make her reconsider. When you do reach out, keep it light. Avoid bringing up the relationship or diving into any heavy topics. A simple message like, "Hey, I saw something today that reminded me of you," can work wonders. This triggers curiosity, and she'll likely respond with, "What was it?" That's your opportunity to mention something positive, a place you both enjoyed, a restaurant you loved, or a shared memory. The idea here is to evoke fond memories and positive emotions. This is powerful because it shifts her focus to the good times you had together, making her miss you more. For the next 1 to 2 weeks, keep the conversation light and playful. This is about showing the best version of yourself, the side she enjoyed the most. Don't rush into anything serious or flirtatious just yet. The key is to keep things casual, building anticipation slowly. After about 2 weeks of casual interaction, start to subtly flirt. Not too much, just enough to hint at your interest. You know her well, so you'll have a sense of what kind of flirting she'll respond to. Gradually, over the next week, increase the flirtation to something slightly more suggestive, but nothing too explicit. A simple comment like, "I really miss the way you did X," or "You were the best at Y," can stir up positive emotions and remind her of the chemistry you had. The next step is to gauge her response. If she reacts positively, build on it gradually. The idea is to make her feel desired without coming on too strong. Eventually, she might reach out late at night, perhaps after a few drinks, wanting to see you. Here's the crucial part. When she does, don't take the bait. Politely decline. This is the final and most powerful move. By saying no after she makes an advance, you'll flip the dynamic completely. She's expecting you to be available, but by rejecting her advance, you establish yourself as the one in control. Resisting her initial offer is critical. If you give in when she's vulnerable or intoxicated, she may regret it later. But if you stand firm, her desire for you will intensify. If she truly wants to be back with you, this moment of rejection will make her crave you even more. She'll be drawn to your newfound confidence and restraint. If you're truly aiming to get back together, don't give in to a drunk dial. If you just want a fleeting connection, you can go for it. But to make her genuinely want you again, you have to hold your ground. This maintains the position of power and leaves her wanting more, leading her to come back to you on your terms.